brothers and sisters, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live, you will be the first to see.
Spells on the beat.
Don't come again today. Today, waiting I take come today now. Waiting if say matter go shock on us today. You understand? This matter go really shock on us well today. You understand me? You know why when you say go feel shock on us well? Now because of this thing now when I want tell on us so. Sure, I know this guy now. This guy now. One boy when he say they do YouTube channel well. He they do saga too. You understand me? They do video well. This guy they always talk about he believe all this traditional something, all this kind of native doctor something, all this kind of king something. You understand me? You see this life where we did so you understand me? This life where we did so waiting. If you are in Europe, if you are living in Europe, I know say this thing where I want to talk, many people don't like it, but many people will like it. If you are in Europe, if you see something when it be say not there right, it there wrong, always try to speak about it. You die put for where you dey speak truth. Better pass say you die put where you dey talk lie. Or where you dey beat around the bush just because say you need your self ambition or something like that. This guy na person when he be say, even if all those Nigeria native daughter or Nigeria kings do bad, this guy they always side them, you know. He dey always side them. He don't die, I dey talk this thing for my own, you know. Many people no go like this thing when I dey talk so, but many people go still like him. He go say Biafra this, Biafra that. Me not they support Biafra. I don't like about Biafra. I don't talk about it. But they always talk something. In this, a Biafra this. You understand me? You have to learn how to talk truth so that the truth where they talk about will save you. You wanna people where they Nigeria they suffer well. Then they suffer. You they hear me so you are in Europe, in Germany. You are enjoying life. You have a free health care. You have everything free. But if those who were in Nigeria or those who were frustrated, where the Europe here still reason say, wait, all this our king or all this our politician, all these things they do, we not like them. If they talk because say you are one, you understand, you they look, you will just start insulting them, calling them names, saying different things. Now is the same Nigeria you went to. When you go there, when they carry you go there, when you travel to there, you say Nigeria, your ancestors is great, your ancestors is that, your ancestors is this. They welcome you now in the land of death. Because now what happens so? Because the day when you reach there, me I know they follow you. I just see Facebook, and they see where people they sing music, they welcome you. Waiting them welcome you put now death. When una go dey Germany, una go dey Europe, una dey do saga, una dey do many things. Igbo people, Yoruba people, my brother, we are one Nigeria. That is what I believe. Una go dey do some juju something. Wait till una not know what is juju. I talk and say all these people where they do live video for this Europe, where they quarrel, they destroy Nigeria people name. If earlier it will be more better for Namona begin they resign for all this kind of nonsense thing what they do for this Europe. Una go dey Europe, una go they bring mumu tradition where no they help people where they Nigeria. People are suffering. You reach Europe, you still they bring the mumu tradition where the say people they suffer for us. Tradition never help us. Which person tradition they help for Nigeria? Nobody. That traditional something where all these African people learn many, they help them. People they suffer for Nigeria now. So when I go speak out, una don't go follow them, una they protect kingdom where una don't know how it starts. Una go they talk, nah, see what happened. This guy died just like that. What killed him? I don't know. My brothers and sisters, I want to leave this video for now. May I show now video where they tell welcome this guy so. First where they welcome like this now, in not today, don't die now. Waiting happen. Now waiting me and you now. They ask the question now. Waiting happen. What key him? We don't know. So more now watch the video. May we see him.
Whether I go stable, man go stable.
Today now is a dead man. This life where we did swear, we will remain for this Europe, where they be say everything they okay for us. We they see free healthcare, we they see light, we they see food, everything they easy for us. We they even do competition, which one is more bigger than this one. My brother, may we leave that kind of things. May they use this our YouTube channel where we get, our Facebook page where we get, our site where we get. Till they open all these leaders where they Africa for Nyash. You understand me? May they use and they open their Nyash. You where they protect tradition, or you where they protect king, you where they protect pastor. You not see the country where we come from, say the country they very mess up. No matter the kind of money where you get, that country not good. Kings that they live where, pastors that they live where, what is it called? Politicians that they live where. Now me and you go suffer. You understand? When you come off for Nigeria now reach Europe, instead of you to speak out for something where all these evil leaders from Nigeria they do, you they protect them. You they protect them. You understand me? You they protect them. You go they talk. Him now, this guy where they put in picture here, he thought say this guy say he go die. I see him for live video. He say this guy he go die. He just they play with him life with the ancestors. He talking like this. See the same guy now, he still die alive. He still talking for Dios where they do video. He still talking. He still die. Now he don't die. He talking for monkey face now. That monkey face where they insult their king. He still talking now. See the guy now, he still die alive. You now where they cause them, you don't die now. That is to show those people where they fight for what they don't know. Make them be careful. Be careful for this life. I know say dead men don't count. When I say dead men don't count, people where they don't die, they know they count them. Yeah, that is my language. You understand me? But sometimes you really need to be careful. You really need to be careful for what you do. You understand? Use your platform to talk truth. They saw Showore the other day. Because they Showore published something now. Waiting Showore publish now. It be like say it near their kingdom. It begin career for head. Now when they die, now who go start to fight for the kingdom? Another person will still come out. This life where we do it, talk truth, help your fellow Nigerians. We are one Nigeria. We don't have kingdom in Nigeria. We have one country, Nigeria. You dey hear me so? Whether you're from Edo, you from Delta, you from Yoruba, we are one Nigeria. All those where they talk nonsense, I know they believe in them. May we open all these useless pastors, nyash, where they destroy Nigeria. Native doctors, all of them they inside. You will hear now say native doctor now, and that be the most biggest problem where we have. All these people now where they kill, all those girls where they go cut head, all those girls where they go do anything, all those girls where they do rituals. So now native doctor now they tell them say go bring girls come. Now native doctor now then they kill those girls. Now that they send them say go bring these girls, they go kill them. We need to really to be careful to talk truth so that this evil something that is happening in Nigeria will reduce. Because if all these things not reduce, you where they protect your kingdom, you where they protect your politician, where they protect your pastor, you go Nigeria, accident can kill you because no road. Instead of the pastor will say that no road, pastor will tell you that God will send miracle to do your road. Yes, that is not what you want to do. You go the Wakana, you come Nigeria, carry your motor, they fly. You go get accident, you go die. Nigeria now, nobody they free. Boko Haram can kidnap you, or government can kidnap you. You can die just like that. But if you are speaking truth, if you die, they will know one thing where they remember you say you did speak truth. So people not they attack people where tire for something where they see every day where not they help them. Not attack those kind of people because now what they see when not they okay for them now they talk about. So leave them, let them everybody express his view. You know when the people they attack those people where they talk for internet now. Anybody will talk about your kingdom, about your house, about everything, you attack them. Anybody will talk about pastor, you attack them. And you are staying in Europe. You they talk saying, oh, you people are racist. Police not good, but you don't want people to feed a view for what is going on in your useless country you come from. But you want to as in back your pastor, back your king, back your politicians. But you don't want you are here you are free saying white people are racist, police are beating people, but you don't want them to talk what is happening. You will die untimely death. Believe me or you forget it. Because you when you be say you dey hold people for their mouth they not talk, you just say you go feel still there alive, you go die. So my brothers and sisters, I come in peace. I come in peace. Thank you so much. If today is your first time come across my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live, I post video, you will be the first to see. Thank you so much. One love, my people. I come in peace. I come in peace. Bye bye guys. Bye.
Spells on the beat. Tiwa Savage on this one, yeah.